Hi guys. I don't think I need that lighting or good lighting today, but I'm going to be testing out soda fizzy candies. I've never had these before, I don't think. If I have, I was probably really little because I think I remember having them. Now I have 4 flavors. Splash, which represents grape soda. Coca-Cola, which represents Coca-Cola. Sprint, which represents Sprite. And Crash, which represents Crush. And I'm pretty sure, like, that's what Coca-Cola looks like. That's what Splash looks like. That's what Sprint looks like. That's what Crash looks like. Okay, I'm gonna try out each one. I'm gonna try out the ones that I think would be the worst first. I think it'd go Splash, Crash, Sprint, Cola. I think Cola would be the best. Okay, so I'm gonna try out Splash first. Can't. Got an itch in my eye. Oh, it would be purple. Okay, so this is what it looks like. It's white. Kind of looks like a cocaine pill. Okay. So far. Oh. That's the worst. Ugh. That's the worst so far. Oh. That came out easier than I thought it would. These ones are more orange. They're still... This is good. That one's the best so far. Down here, I have which are the best, which are the worst. Sprite, Crush, or Splash is the worst. Crash is the best so far. Okay. That was worth trying. They aren't as fizzy as I thought they'd be. Okay. That's what Sprite looks like. That one's a little bit better than Crash. This is the one I think would be the best. They don't look appealing. These ones do not. I can say that. Those are brown. Those go like this. Okay. So first, the worst is Splash. Second worst is Coca-Cola. Got a good aftertaste though. The second worst, or the third worst is Crash. And the best is Sprint. Okay. Well, bye guys. You can buy these at Casey's.